Do you have a walking pad? And you have those simple walking pad you're looking to transform into a different desk or a different work setting and make it a more functional, like a multifunctional. And today's video is for you. 2 weeks ago, I ordered a lot of stuff online and I want to transition my walking pad, which is this one. And this is the walking pad I have. I would want to transition it to make it a more functional. So my walking pad is like this. And it's very simple. It's those like, it doesn't take much space. You can fold it. But I want to transition to make it more functional. I want to add a tray over here and another phone holder and probably a small table that I can slide underneath here. And this is what I'm gonna transition. My cat is sitting on my, honey, can we get off please? Yeah, can we get up please? Anyway, so I got this overhead table and the mount that I can just hold it on and just put it on the rail of my walking pad. And then this one is a tray, and you can just put it on the holder and you can put your phone, your mic, a lot of stuff. And I can put my water bottle too while I'm working out. Anyway, let's get started. First off, I want to start with a simple one. This is easy to assemble, or you don't really need to assemble. It just will clamp on. It's kind of like the C clamp, and you can just clamp it over here. And also it's easy to bend. You can bend whatever shape you want. I'm gonna use this one for my phone. Pretty straightforward. You just push this in and screws back on. And that's where you're gonna hold your phone, like that, the clamp. You can hold your phone. You can do in different ways. You can do vertically or horizontally. It depends on your preference. And this is a C clamp. And straight up. There we go. And now I can have my phone over here, and you can bend this too. I'm just gonna, because it's a little too long, I'm gonna bend it. And this will be my phone holder. And next, we're gonna start with assemble the tray. And I'm gonna attach to the left side of it. That is so cool. I can finally put my mic here. Maybe sometimes I'm in the mood, I can sing. It's called a microphone accessory tray. It doesn't come with instruction, but it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of like a C clamp too. We loosen up this part. Its opening is too narrow and the holder is a little too wide. So I'm just gonna put it on the side. And this is your phone holder. And this one you can bend, and it's like a 360 degree. You can put your phone over here, but you know, you can do like that since we cannot really turn it sideways. Now finally I have like cup holder. Perfect. I can work out and get some water, and also maybe I can practice a little bit singing with using my mic. I can have a phone over here, or I can have a phone over here, and or just something I'll clamp it here. I can read it, and I can put my iPad over here. Next, I'm gonna assemble the the over bed table, and I measure like the bottom part, and let me show you over here. So the bottom part, and it's about 1 inch before I purchased it, and I measured it, make sure it's a correct size, so I can slide the table underneath it. I would love to have that result to get my walking pad more functional. Now I have the over bed table. Okay. Hopefully I don't need any tool. Usually it comes with the tool, so I don't have to go to my closet to get my toolbox. It's pretty messy in the my closet. Okay, let's see. Okay. And also funny thing, the reason I'm doing this is because I actually ordered the elevated desk, but it's like 70 pounds. I don't think I have the strength to carry it upstairs. So that's why I order the lighter weight over bed table, so I can slide it underneath my walking pad. I can create it like the working area, similar to that elevation desk. And that's the story behind it, if you care to know. Ooh, let's see. So this pretty much is the table look like. I think this is support. Pretty simple. I'll put it on the side for now, so I can take the phone out. I'm sure this is a leg. Okay. It did. I was right. So it comes with the tool and the screw. I don't need it I don't need to take my toolbox out. So it's just from years of assemble a lot of stuff for myself. I know from your experience. I wish I had footage, and I have assembled, wow, I have assembled a lot of stuff. I have assembled pretty much 95% of my furniture at home. Most of them are from IKEA. And 2 years ago, I have assembled my bed, and actually timed myself. I was like, how quick can I assemble my bed? And I finished assembling my bed in 2.5 hours. Not bad, right? Yeah. Maybe I will find, maybe when someone is visiting or my family is visiting, it can help me to carry the big elevation desk upstairs, because I don't really have, I have like old back issues, so probably don't want to break my back and carry that all up. Oh, my hair. I'm gonna put my hair. Wait, oh, I thought it's broken. No, okay. So comes with a table board, which is this one, and the column, which is that one over here. And then we have the screw and the wrench. The wrench? Did I say drench? Okay, I'm gonna put this way, the upside down. Let's just scratch the table. That's what I said, right? Okay. Oh, you put that last. Does it matter? Okay. Yeah, I started it last year. I decided to be more active because I noticed sometimes when I have my days off at home, I don't even walk more than 4,000 steps. So I decided to get rid of my couch and I sold it online. And I decided to get the walking pad, and also I got rid of my like a 2-seat couch, a lover's couch, and so basically at home I don't have any couch, maybe just the 2 bar stools. I barely sitting on it to eat, and then my upstairs is just my desk and my chair, and a lot of times I actually stand up in my kitchen to eat because I guess I want to be more active. Anyway, this is easy peasy compared to the past where I have to assemble a lot of stuff. I wish I had a footage of me assembling stuff, and not just assemble stuff. I paint my kitchen cabinet, my old house 2 years ago, and yeah, it was rough. I was working night shift, and I basically just did it at night. And I painted my cabinet of my bathroom. I still have, for some reason, I still have the leftover paint in my closet. Maybe I can still use it. And then after I moved to this apartment condo, I changed my stairway because it was like so plain. And it's like nothing exciting. I want to change it to a little bit design, add a little bit design, and I don't know, I feel like I want to chit chat with you guys. Anyway, that was me enough rambling. I think we have 2 more to go. The roller, so this goes to the bottom. This is like the most simplest furniture I've ever assembled. My press-on nail is still on like perfectly. And it's pretty straightforward. I just want to show you over here. And I don't know if you can see it. Over here. Keep screwing it. It's only 8 screws totally that you need. And then on the bottom, there's another 4. And time to flip it over. And it's very straightforward. I really liked it. You know, you can adjust the height up and down. Let's check it out. That is so cool. And now I can put my laptop over here while still walking. You know, I can't have my water over here. If I want to have a piece of paper or anything, I can put it over here, and my phone holder, and I can put my iPad here, you know, while, you know, working on my laptop. I liked it. Now I can work on it, and I can jog on it, and I can sing along, put my mic over here. A lot of things we can do. Let's play with it. Okay, let's start a walk. Simple walk. I have my iPad over here, and I can watch a movie or listen to my audiobooks while I'm walking, or do my morning strategizing. Or I can put my phone up here, or I can clamp my phone over here. So while watching whatever, listen to my audiobooks or watch a movie from my iPad, or I can speed up or run. Let's go for a jog. Or I can lay out all my dumbbells with the different weights on this table instead of reaching further, and do my weight training on my arms while walking on the walking path. Let's try it. Do the moderate weight. Pretty handy. Wow, look at my elevation table. So excited to start working on my walking pad and also walking. Let's check it out. Ooh, I can get some work, and I can elevate this table too. And I can get some studies. Working on my computer. Maybe take a Zoom call. And when I get tired or I want to take a break, walking on the walking pad. Okay, walking on heels. Feel great. Taking my notes while I'm studying. Maybe put my phone up here. Or I can take a phone call while I'm walking on the walking pad. Speaking of phone calls, hello? Yeah, this is Yenny. How can I help you? Oh, great to hear from you. What am I doing? I'm walking on my walking pad while working. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Or I want to relax and watch a movie, and I'll push the table over to the front. Now we can get on back on the walking path. I'll watch my movie while walking. Usually a movie is 1.5 hours, and that means I can walk on the walking path while watching my favorite movie and do exercise for 1.5 hours, which is great. Or I can simply enjoy my hobby and do the things I love to do while I'm walking on the treadmill. Let's give it a try. Look at the tray. I got my mic. I can enjoy singing. Yesterday once more. Oh, that was off. And I can enjoy a sip of water. And I can dance too. Watch. And I can play my music instrument too. And I can dance backwards too. Well, maybe not. Don't dance backwards. You're gonna injure yourself. Okay, that sums up my transitioning my walking pad to a multifunctional walking pad. And I hope you enjoyed it. Well, don't walk backwards. Don't injure yourself. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.